that nice?
What'd you get, Natalie?
Remember you get one every year, one of those. You do.
Oh yeah.
You forgot.
What is it? A lollipop?
Friends. Lolly.
I'm just gonna shut this.
Is that for Sam? Give it to Sam.
Diaper cream.
What age? Whoa. Okay. Oh, Baba. Baba.
You got babas for your dolls.
For Dolly.
Crayons. What's that?
Bossy.
Wow.
Whoa. Here, Sam's open up his. You open up yours. Here. Okay, here. Here, give it to Sam. Show Sam.
Oh, a train whistle?
Sliding whistle. This is good.
Look. Do it. And you gotta, yeah, blow in and then and you can change your sound on yours. I'll show you. Whoa. Whoa.
Good job.
Santa Claus on that. Santa.
And more lollipops?
Open. You do it. You could do it. Open, tear. Yeah. All right. What is it? Open it up. What is that? Oh. Open. Yeah. Open. Here, I'll help you. There it is. Pull it out.
Wow.
Pull it out. Pull it out.
What is it? Is it a hat?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, that's cute, Scott. Hey. Hey.
You like
I like your hat.
Look. Band-Aids, Reggie's.
VeggieTale Band-Aids.
More.
Natalie, do you like stockings?
Here. Here, pull it out. Pull. Pull, pull. Get it. Take it. Uh-oh, take it. Here, this is it. Take it. There it is. Uh-oh. Look at it.
A change purse?
Open it. Look. Put it in there. Last gift. Here you go.
You like your hat?
What's this? Here. Oh, wow. What is that? What is that? Say it. What is it? Candy.
Apple.
No.
Apple.
She said candy.
Candy cane.
Yeah, like the ones across the street.
Candy cane.
Oh.
You like those lollipops? I'm glad you like your stocking. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Yay. I think the favorite thing is the crayons and the lollipops.
I only have a couple things with your mom.
Yeah, I really
Wow.